One of the most frequently asked questions in the Team Fortress 2 community is, what is inside the head of a spy main? Well, most amateurs would say nothing. And while to some extent that is technically true, I have no reason to believe that. So today I am going to prove to the Team Fortress 2 community that spy players have at least some semblance of a brain. Join me as I fight for France in Funny Hat Simulator TF2 Not Clickbait Real Gone Wrong Cops Called. First millisecond playing spy, I'm already hating it. I did not. Whoa, that is crazy. That is insane. Whoa. This seems like an optimal time to not exist. I know what I'm expecting. I'm just kind of rolling with it, you know. I don't play spy that often. I find it fun to play spy when I'm getting into a groove, but most all of the time I am not in a groove. I'm so good. I'm correct at this game, dog. Oh my. Yo, spy has again. Spread the word. Yeah, I want more kills. Gimme that. Gimme that. Where are you? Where are you? Come here. Alright, second millisecond of playing spy. I'm pretty gaming, honestly. But like, if I had to like pick a certain subgenre of gaming, I'd definitely pick the gaming version of gaming because I'm gaming right now. Who else is a gaming gamer? Remember to slap that subscribe. Please let me backstab you. Please let me backstab. I don't know what to talk about. Come on, I'm playing spy. It's a known fact that spy mains think of nothing and never have thought of anything in their lives. It's true. Just trust me. I played Fortnite before. Oh, that's nice. Honestly, deserved. Spy main, try not to run into bullet challenge. Impossible. Worst part is that if you're against a smart team, you basically cannot play spy. Unless you know, love self-harm, then I guess you can. But it's gonna be pretty boring. Yoink. Honestly, best way to play spy. What? Yes. Destroy the sentries. Or you know what I mean. Destroy the teleporters. They don't deserve to live. Yo. Who? Yo. No, man. I didn't realize I was disguised as heavy because whenever I press 4, I just press a random number key, and it tends to work. Yo. Yo. Swap, bruh. I swear, medics backstab hitbox is like 1 degree wide. At least we have a good team, because if we didn't, we'd probably be screwed. Yeah, no. I did nothing. Please leave me alone. Yo, why is there a what? Bro, what? How did that take so long? Are medics like weak? If you tap them, they'll die? Real? Yo, not here. I'm not here. I am not here. Trust me, man. Trust me, bro. Worst part about recording this is that I'm gonna have to edit it through like an hour of footage. Only to include like 5 minutes of it in a video because the intro is what people actually care about. And then you don't even have to include content because most people click off after the intro is done because they're gaming. Yo, sentry down. That's a shame. That's a shame. That's a shame. Why? Makes sense. Alright, gamers. Today we're defending and you know who else has dementia? 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 Makes sense. Whoa, that was crazy. Just run on in. Just. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm currently hitting the try to aim challenge. I got it. I don't even care that I died. I got him. I'm so skilled at this game. I definitely didn't whiff 4 shots. Miraculously hit the last 2, and like completely like tickle my mouse and like sweat all over it. So, and then it immediately froze. So now there's like a 5-foot block of ice just around my hand. Alright guys, today we're gonna be cosplaying as Engineer from the hit game Team Fortress 2. It's one of my favorite games ever, and also I'm a gamer, so I know it should work. Yoink. Instead of going for an epic chain stab, I tend to... No! Please kill... Yeah! Giga Chad Sapper knows how to play the game. Just let me be behind you and let me stab you, yes! Haha! Let me be behind you! So they switched off from NG, or is another spy disguised as an NG? Because I'm not exactly sure what the situation is right now. Just POV, you remember that spy actually has a gun in real life, in 4K Ultra HD. You actually, POV, you have a brain aneurysm remembering that spy has a gun, which is a Jonto Hill reference. Of course it's a Jonto Hill reference. Why wouldn't it be? It's not like anyone had noticed that spy has a gun. Yo, what if I just swagged up behind you and just yoink? And what if I just swagged up behind you and I just yoink? And what if I just swagged up behind you and I just yoink? Oh, what the bro? Ah, come on. If I just stood right behind you and I just Best gameplay ever. Real has given me bowel inflammation. Trust me. I think bowel inflammation is a perfect note to end this video off. So subscribe. Seriously. It lets me make money from YouTube eventually. So subscribe. Yippee!